Okay, so this is an update on the Tri-Zone Cuisinart air fryer. I call it the Colossus. Here we go, got to keep your back straight, make sure all the drawers don't come out. Oh, there it comes. Oh, bloody hell. Right. So there we go. That's it. Yeah, seemed a good idea at the time, but we're quite a large family, so although it's a big thing, each of these drawers doesn't take a full bag of chips or anything like that. And the pizza thing's quite handy, but I don't know. So I think we're going to stick with the smaller, just large capacity air fryer that we can maybe get 2 of those, because they're a lot smaller than this. The Breville XXL or something. It does work well, as I say. You can't fault it for the what it cooks, but I'd say it's for a family like of a single parent and a child, or a couple of kids. Or you can do one pizza, chips, chicken nuggets, but it's not going to feed many people. I don't really like this. So this is okay for a pizza, but if you want to put something else in this, you can get quite a good pizza in there. But if you're cooking something else like a cake or something, I don't think you haven't got the depth here. So these, you get a few in there, but we're used to putting the whole bag in, and wouldn't go in there. So to us, it's a big machine, and it takes up a lot of space, and it's not what we need. We need a large capacity frying section. So we might be moving this one on.